Welcome to running Kase Outlook for the first time. My name is Dean Rogers, and I'm the Senior Analyst with Kase & Company. Kase Outlook is a Bloomberg app portal application that forecasts the security's direction, pinpoints support and resistance, and determines the probability for meeting those targets over a given period of time. This video will review the basics of running Kase Outlook for the very first time, and also running a custom list outlook, or in other words, running a forecast on a set of securities that we type in by hand. We will also review some of the basics of using the Kase Outlook dashboard. There are a few ways to launch Kase Outlook. The first is to go to Apps, press Go, choose My Apps, and then click on the Kase Outlook icon. Alternatively, we can go to Apps, Kase Out, Go, and then press the Run App button. The first time Kase Outlook is launched, it will come up with a tutorial. This tutorial covers a lot of the same information that we will be covering in this and subsequent videos. In this video, we will run a forecast on a set of custom securities that we will type into a list. This is called a custom list outlook. We can run this type of analysis by choosing the button labeled Run a Custom List Outlook in the middle of the screen, or by choosing the icon on the main menu bar. For the Custom List Outlook, we can enter up to 20 securities in the security list. Each security is entered by hand, and the symbology works just like it does in the Bloomberg platform. For instance, if we want to run analysis on Dell, we would type in Dell, and then type in equity, or we can hit our F8 or equity button on the Bloomberg keyboard and then hit Go, or alternatively we can actually hit the plus sign to add the security. Once we have entered the desired list of securities, we can set sorting options by choosing up and down direction, up direction, or alphabetical. We can also set a sort order, ascending and descending, and then we can look at the estimated runtime. Finally, we press the Run Outlook button. Once the analysis completes, the Kase Outlook dashboard is displayed. In this lesson, we will go over the basics of reading and using the dashboard. The dashboard initially shows a set of color-coded arrows indicating direction, as well as a probability for the market continuing in that direction. Arrows that are pointing to the left that are red indicate the market should go down towards support, and arrows that are green and pointing to the right indicate a market that should continue to rise. For instance, Dell shows an 85% probability of falling towards support, and the S&P index shows a 75% probability of rising towards its resistance targets. We can run further analysis by selecting up to 10 individual securities and then clicking on the Calculate Probabilities and Targets button on the main menu bar. The security chosen now shows the 5 most confluent support and resistance targets, as well as the probabilities for meeting those targets. So in this case, the S&P index has a 75% probability of rising to 1607.50, a 70% probability of rising to 1619, and a 65% probability of rising to 1646.40. The analysis also indicates that there's a 49% probability for 1568.31, a 37% probability for 1566.50, and so on. Currently, the time frame for this analysis is approximately 5 to 10 days. Kase's preliminary backtest results show an overall success rate of 84%. That is, 84% of the time a security will hit at least the initial target in the direction called for. Subsequent lessons will cover some of the advanced features such as running portfolios, managing portfolios, using the full functionality of the Kase dashboard, and also looking at the details of the analysis. Thank you for watching our video today. If you haven't already, you can get a free 30-day trial of Kase Outlook at Apps, Kase Out, Go. You can also get more information about Kase Outlook and the other applications that we have on the Bloomberg platform at KaseGo or at our website www.kaseco.com/Bloomberg. Thank you and have a good day.